We have names to describe the different parts. Have a look at these two. What makes something a coefficient, a constant, or a variable? Pause the video and have a think. A variable is a symbol for a number we don't know yet. It's usually a letter. A number on its own is called a constant. And then the numbers in front of variables. These are called coefficients. They are different to constants because coefficients always multiply by a variable. A number and a letter is a coefficient and a variable, but a number on its own is a constant. If a variable doesn't have a coefficient in front of it, it means the coefficient is 1, but we just don't write the 1. Sometimes we can even have letters to represent coefficients. Give these questions a go. Pause the video and work them out. Did you get them right? One final word we need to be aware of: exponents. The exponent tells us how many times to multiply the value by itself. The exponent has a few different names: exponent, index, power. So label the exponent variables, coefficients and constants in this expression. Pause the video and work them out. Did you get them all right?